Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little going out makeup look today. I feel like I've been doing super basic makeup every time I go out and I want to do something different. I already moisturize my skin. I use Vanicream, and then I also wash my face with the Vanicream face wash. Literally my favorite products ever. I've been obsessed with them. I've definitely seen a difference in my skin. They're so freaking good. Anyways, we're gonna do eye makeup first and then do the base. I'm gonna start off by concealing my eyelids. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty foundation today for that. I'm running out of it though, which is so sad because I really like this foundation. I'm trying to get my bangs out of the way. They are such a pain. Like, I love them so much, but they're seriously such a pain when you're doing your makeup. It's bad. I've been using my fingers lately to do my makeup because I feel like it's just better for my skin. Like, I don't like using the beauty blenders because they get obviously like so dirty so quick, and I don't want to buy a beauty blender like every freaking other week. So I've been trying to just use my hands lately to do my makeup. Now that my eyelids are set, I'm gonna go in with the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. My mom got this for me yesterday and I'm so excited to use it. It's pretty much just neutral shadows and then some shimmers, which is so up my alley. I'm more of a neutral person. I don't really like wearing colors on my face just because I feel like it does not look good at all on me. I'm gonna start off by going in with this shade here and just setting my lids. Okay. I don't even have a mirror with me, so if this comes out bad, I'm gonna be so sad. The only thing I don't like is that there's not a mirror in this palette, but I really love the colors and everything. I just wish I had a mirror. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade here and just blend it into my outer corner and crease. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Now that that's all blended out, I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade in the palette and just focus that on my lid. I know it looks really messy right now, but we're gonna blend that out and fix it. I'm gonna take my blending brush and we're gonna blend that out. I'm gonna take more of that first color that we used and then use that to help blend it out. And don't worry about like having it messy right here. You can always just clean that right up with a makeup wipe and put concealer over it just to make it look more sharper. Now that that's all blended out, I'm gonna go in with the shade here and I'm just gonna focus that on the inner corner of my lid and just go about halfway with it. I'm not gonna do the full lid in this. And I am using my finger just to dab it in because I feel like it works best with shimmers to do that. All right, now I'm just gonna be blending it out with a blending brush. I really like how that shimmer looks with this eye look, actually. I was kind of nervous about it because I've never really used shimmers, but I wanted to do something different because I really wanted to test out one of the shimmer shades in there, and I actually really like how it looks. That's all blended out. I kind of went back and forth between the dark shadow and the light brown transition shade that we used earlier to blend it out better. I'm going to do my base makeup now. I'm going to start going in with the L'Oreal True Match Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. It is in the shade Rich Medium. I've been loving this lately, especially for summer. It's literally perfect. I'm just gonna blend it in with my fingers. I've literally been obsessed with this tinted serum, though I would definitely recommend trying it out. I am now gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I've also been obsessed with this stuff lately. This is the shade 4 Medium. I'm just gonna apply it on my cheekbones and blend it out. I'm not gonna put it really anywhere else just because I don't really want to since I added that tinted serum. Okay, so it just has like a natural glow, which is why I love it so much because I do have pretty dry skin. I'm gonna go in with some concealer to clean up the edge of this because it looks so bad right now. I'm using the CoverGirl concealer. It is kind of light for me right now, but it's all I have, so we're gonna have to make it work. I'm just gonna add a line here and right there, just a dot. I'm gonna do one at a time because this does dry pretty quickly. And I'm just gonna drag this up here like that just to create like a straight line. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and I'll be back whenever it's done. Yes, I know my concealer is so light right now, but I'm gonna set it with this Maybelline Fit Me powder. It is in the shade 15 Light. I'm just gonna set it under my eyes because I don't want them to crease and See if it kind of helps with the lightness of my concealer. Don't mind this beauty blender, it is so bad. I absolutely love this powder. It literally makes your makeup look so freaking flawless. I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow on my bottom lash line now. I'm gonna go in with the light brown shade and just apply that all under my eye. And then I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade and focus that on the outer of my eye. All right, we're gonna bronze now. I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Bronzer. This is the shade 300 Light Medium. I'm gonna start with my nose. I really need to get a cream bronzer though, because I love cream under powder for bronzer because it just looks so much better and more intense. I have such a big bulbous nose and I hate it. Like this part is skinny and then the bottom is just like a freaking fat ball and I cannot stand it. Always make sure that you apply the nose contour up here too, because it just makes the biggest difference, trust me. It is so important to blend it up here. Okay, I think that's fine for now. I'm gonna go in with this NYX matte bronzer in the shade Medium, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit over top this. I don't want it to look too harsh, but I kind of do because I have such a fat nose at the tip, so. I don't like to do the line here for that button nose bullshit because it looks so weird on me. I do not like it. It just looks too like obvious that there's a line there. It doesn't even make it look like I have a button nose. It just looks like a line. I don't like how it looks on me. I'm gonna go in with some powder and put it on the sides of my nose. I'm gonna take this big brush that I have and blend it out even more. I'm just gonna put it here. I absolutely love bronzer. I feel like this is like one of my favorite steps of my makeup routine. Just makes the biggest difference. And then I'm gonna put some on my forehead. I'm going in with the NYX bronzer again and just adding that over top. For blush, I'm going to use the Milani Cream Blush in Coral Crush. Literally been obsessed with this stuff. It is so pretty and it's really pigmented. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Rose and just add that over top. I'm going to put some highlighter just on my nose. I think I'm going to use this shade from the palette and just put a little bit on the tip of my nose. I don't like highlighter that much, like too much. I only put it on my nose. Okay, I'm gonna add some black liner at my waterline. I'm using this Pixi by Petra eye pen in black. I'm just gonna add it on the upper lash line. And then I'm gonna put it on my waterline at the bottom here. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna take this little brush here and just kind of blend it out again, just in case I got a little bit of black under my eye. Wow, that looks so good now. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then add some mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara. I've been loving this mascara lately. For the last and final step, I'm going to be doing my lips. This is literally my favorite part. I'm going to be taking the NYX lip liner, and then I'm going to try this new lipstick I got by Juvia's Place in the shade Bronzed Toast. Cannot wait to try that out. And then I think I'm going to do a lip gloss. Maybe not, but if I do, it's the LA Colors Glossy Lips one. So I'm going to fill in my lips right now with the liner. I know it looks so weird right now, but I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. I'm gonna go in with the lipstick now. I'm so excited to try this out. I love this freaking color. Oh my god, I love it. I am obsessed with this lipstick. Oh my god. This color is so freaking pretty. I've never worn a color like this. Okay, so the lipstick definitely has a matte finish to it, which I love. Now I'm gonna set my makeup with this NYX matte setting spray. Put a crap ton of that on. I am so obsessed with how my makeup turned out today. It looks so gorgeous. It looks so good with my eyes, and I love, love, love the lipstick. Oh my god, I was so nervous about the color, but it looks so beautiful on, especially with this eye look. It just pairs so well together. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and like how this look turned out, and I'll see y'all in the next one.